Ahead of tomorrow's defamation hearing in the court and also, of course, Mahua Moitra's appearance scheduled for the 2nd of November when she has to appear before the Ethics Committee of Parliament, more and more revelations are coming out. The first is, of course, the question of the authenticity of the affidavit that has been raised by Mahua Moitra in the past. Now, the Ministry of External Affairs has come out to certify that indeed it was Darshan Hiranandani who came out of his own volition to the consulate there in Dubai and asked for that entire affidavit to be notarized specifically. So clearly this is the Ministry of External Affairs once again to some extent denying the doubts that had been raised by Mahua Moitra. What's also very significant is a series of revelations that Times Now has been putting out. There is, of course, information that Mahua Moitra, while in the court, had in toto denied the contents of the affidavit. However, in subsequent versions where she has spoken to various media houses, she has admitted that there were indeed some gifts that were given to her by Darshan Hiranandani, but that's, of course, in his capacity as a friend, is what Mahua Moitra had claimed. Now, remember that the definition of what constitutes a bribe does not necessarily have to include cash only. There can be expensive gifts. In this case, the allegation is of luxury gifts and expensive phones, for instance, that have been given. Now, Times Now has also accessed the fact that there are several images of Mahua Moitra in possession of certain luxury items which are being claimed by, in fact, Jai Anand Dehadrai, the lawyer who first raised this issue, and of course Nishikant Dubey as well, the member of parliament who complained to the speaker on this entire aspect. And on the basis of that complaint is where the ethics committee's role comes in. So it appears that there are some tough questions that Mahua Moitra will have to answer. Will she be able to, for instance, furnish the proof of purchase of several of these luxury items? And if she doesn't, what does that mean? All of this is going to be the subject matter of our first debate. Do join us at 9:57 this evening on the Newshour agenda.